Hello guys and welcome back to another video of my channel, and I know I'm too much late and I'm really sorry for that. Though I have shared this on my Instagram, and if you don't follow me there, do it, follow now, link in description. So let's move back to today's topic, and this video is based on redesigning, and in this video we'll redesign a book cover. So let's start by selecting the book. So this is the book I have selected. Hope you all know this book, and I will redesign this book cover. So let's get started. To create the cover, we have to first measure it. So the width is almost 13 centimeter and the length is approximately 19.5. This is the data I have, so let's create this. To start the manipulation, let's open Photoshop. After opening Photoshop, let's take an artboard as we measured. The whole manipulation is based on curves and elements. So let's do it and enjoy. I'm doing fast forwarding now just to save time. And if you need a detailed video, feel free to DM me on Instagram and I'll provide you the video. Remember, only light and shadows can make anything realistic. today. Hope you like it, and we'll meet soon again with the second part of this video where we'll learn about the creating covers of this project. So stay tuned with me, and bye.